Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You should start with admin rights. This lets you change firewall rules safely. Once you have that, note the exact port number and whether it uses TCP or UDP because rules depend on protocol. Next, open Windows Defender Firewall with advanced security, use the Start menu and type it, then run as administrator. This first move creates a clean context. You're now ready to add an inbound rule that will allow the port through the firewall without opening unnecessary. Once in advanced security, click Inbound Rules and choose New Rule. Select port so you control exactly which number is exposed, then pick TCP or UDP and enter the single port or range. Make sure to choose Allow the connection so traffic is permitted, and then select the network profiles where this rule applies, domain, private, or public, to limit exposure. Finally, give the rule a clear name and description so you know its purpose later. This helps maintain security hygiene. You've created the rule, so save it and confirm it's enabled in the Inbound Rules list. Now test connectivity. Use testnet connection in PowerShell or Telnet to the port, or run the application that uses it, so you verify both reachability and proper function. If the port still seems blocked, make sure corresponding outbound rules aren't denying traffic, check third-party antivirus or router NAT settings, and confirm the rule's profile matches your current network. That troubleshooting step solves most residual issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.